If you're looking to grow your business, advance your career, build that ultimate community, it starts with a clearly defined brand message. I'm Professor Nez. I'm a personal branding coach, LinkedIn consultant, executive career coach, content creator, and personal branding keynote speaker. I'm going to help you with the number one tip on how you can create that ultimate brand message that ensnares attention, because it's all about attention. If you can't get attention, it doesn't matter how good you are, how talented you are, how intelligent you are, how much of a service provider you are, how amazing your product, good, or service is. Nobody's going to give a hoot if you can't ensnare attention. So we're going to get into that right now. I get this question sometime from my students. I'm also a business communications professor and a writing professor as well, some of the universities here in Southern California where I live. And, when we have assignments, I'll get this question from my students, Professor Nez, how many pages should it be? And my response to that is, as it always has been, how many pages do you think it should be? It's not about quantity, y'all. It's about quality. Okay? I don't care if it's 5 pages. I don't care if it's 10 pages. I don't care if it's 20 pages. If each word, if each utterance, if each syllable is inflamed with purpose, then it's meant to be in there. Now, in this day and age, in the 21st century ecosystem that we're living in, I think it's really important to encapsulate and adopt less is more. Less is definitely more. Nobody has time anymore. Everybody has attention deficit disorder in this day and age. So you're actually doing them a service by, creating something that has as little struggle, as little friction, and as little words as possible to get your message across. On my website, if you go to ProfessorNez.com right now, you will see that I have one value proposition tagline. If you're looking to grow your business, advance your career, it starts with a clearly defined brand message. I can help you. Simple. Don't overthink this stuff. Don't think that you have to try so hard, that you have to fill your resume, fill your cover letter, fill your brand message, fill your marketing copy, whatever it is, with all these details and statistics and I don't think I put enough in there. I don't think I put enough in there. It reeks of desperation. You're trying way too hard and nobody's going to read it. The average attention span of a human being right now is that of a gnat. That's scientifically, empirically proven. Goldfish have a better attention span, a higher attention span than we humans. And it's just going to diminish as we get advanced, especially with technology, the way we're going. Less is more. Always remember that. Stick to your core principles. Stick to the most important thing. I always like to tell my executive clients, it's called the dessert first mentality. What's the core of who you are? What problem can you solve? What differentiates you from the pack? Conciseness. Keep it short, keep it sweet, keep it to the point, and you will win. If you need help, if you need any kind of assistance, here at Nez Agency, we do consulting. We consult on content marketing, content coaching, brand identity, personal branding, executive career coaching, you name it. Go to ProfessorNez.com/consulting. And you will find out all of our services. I'm happy to work with you. Let me know down below what your thoughts are and leave a comment, please. What do you think? I want to pass it off to you. Do you think that less is more? Do you think that quantity and quality are actually best merged together? Or do you agree, disagree? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave them down below and I will reply to them. And I'm so grateful for you guys, Nez Nation. Just really quickly, we go live every single 2 p.m. Every single 2 p.m. Yes, we do. I'm going to leave this in the video. We go live every single Sunday at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern, ProfessorNez.com/live streams, or on YouTube.com/Professor Nez. We talk about branding. We have the most amazing community. We talk about discovering your purpose, communicating your message, impacting your audience so that you can grow your business, you can advance your career, you can build a substantive, engaging community, which really is the epicenter of everything I mentioned before. We'd love to see you there. Come join us there. And thank you so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.